about that? So, meron nakalagay dyan kung paano gamitin. So, wear stopper, enhancer, highlight, mid-tone, and primer. It makes my room. Okay, I know you know the news that I got a crazy decision out of curiosity. I cut Amita bangs and I think she bangs none. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do a makeup. Makeup guys. Uy naman no. So I'm gonna be using the color red. Forgot. So I'm just gonna be doing the first base. Ano ang putulun? Na-mix na siya. Ay, mapaganda ang kalalabasan nito. By the way guys, yung ano ko, yung first base is Off Love. Ba't wala akong lights, no? Wait lang, ha? Hindi ako center of distraction. Since I don't have second base yet, so gagamit ako ng YOU na concealer. And then, lagyan na natin dito, dito, and dito mga tabunan natin yung lahat. Lahat na. Char lang. Diba? Ano nyo? Yung effect ng ganito. Tapos ganyan. Do you see any difference? That? Naman talaga siya nag-ano din. I think you're gonna use red lipstick. I'm not sure. The baboy or my dog is playing the BYS. Still, I'm gonna be using the BYS. So what we're gonna do is and then I'm gonna line up with yes. How about that? It's the most wonderful time of the year. Bakit kanta ko lang ng Christmas song? Tapos na yung kilay natin, guys. Bahala na si Batman sa kilay natin, okay? Talaga, hindi talaga mag-perfect ang kilay ko. Dahil! Kung kilay pa lang yan, naka 13 minutes na ako. Hanggang kilay pa lang yan, uy! Mag-fake lashes today. Natural lashes lang. You see that? Ang maganda nila. And brushes. And nagamit ko na yung dalawa nito. Ito for blush on, and then this one for may tumawa. Love! Nag-video ako ba? Uy, ba't ang ganda-ganda ko dito? Tapos dyan, bakit ang pangit ko dyan? I'm gonna be doing my eye makeup. And I'll be using the colorette. Ooh, colorette. Excited ka dito, colorette. So, ayan. Ang ginawa ko, guys, para hindi masayang yung palette is pinush ko na lang siya. As in, nilagyan ko ng alcohol. And then, pinush ko na lang siya. So, meron nakalagay dyan kung paano gamitin. So, there's topper, enhancer, highlight, mid-tone, and primer. Gamitin natin yung first, of course, yung primer. Using this one. Yung primer. The primer is cream. Okay, nakalagay na tayo. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Next one is yung mid-tone. So, yung mid-tone. Coverage, like, ooh, sino ka dyan? Ganyan. Konting-konti lang yung nilagay ko, tapos pinat pa. Wala naman. You see that? Uy, ganda. Ganda niyan. Yan. We have the next one is the highlight. Ano ba yan? Wait lang. Ano ba yung highlight? Tingnan natin. Yan. That? Is that the highlight? Ano ba? Ganda. Next one is enhancer. So, ang enhancer is gagamit tayo ng ibang brush. So glittery. Pwede din naman, ganyan lang siya. I wanted, diba? If you want some, like, defined. Oy! Ay, nako, Maximus! So, what I did is, in-enhance ko. Oh my God. Talaga ba? Is it? In-enhance ko siya. Like, grabe namang enhancement yan. Uy! Is we're gonna be using the topper, which I'm really scared of using kasi nga ito yung sira. So, ay, grabe siya. See all those glitters? Grabe siya. Oh, nasa iyo lahat ng glitters. So glittery tonight. Kunwari, aatin tayo ng party. Really, girl? Are you a party girl? I'm not. How are you doing tonight? Sure. I like to put some ganun. So, lagay ako na ulit ng enhancer. Grabe naman yun. Uy! Grabe naman yun. Ay! So, it's really scary na lagay ka lang ng lagay dyan. Me as a party girl, na parang mabubulag pa. So, we're the party girl. We're the party. Ganon. Eyeliner. This is Penpal of Colorette, bebe. Guys, ganito siya, oh. Oh, ano yan? Now, you see? You see the eye? Like, ang laki ng difference, guys. Dito wala, dito meron. O, diba? Yun siya, guys. So, more defined na yung, diba? So, I think there's no need for lashes. Yung ko dyan. Yan. Tapos na ako sa aking eye makeup. Ay, I'm so happy with my eye makeup. Para akong papare-pare. I'm so happy with my eye makeup. Gusto ko talaga yung mga glitters, guys. I'm sorry. For the blush on, I'm gonna be using the BLK because I don't have ganon. So, I'm gonna be using first the cream and then ganon. I really love this. Oh, girl! Hmm. Yeah, but girl. You see the blush on? I'm gonna be using this as contour. This one color. On from the palette, from this palette. So I'm gonna be using the Midtown. How about that? And then, gagamit tayo ng highlighter later. Ito pala yun, guys. Yan. I don't have any loose powder, but I have the Super Stay from Maybelline, so I'm gonna be using this one. Girl, ang sumaganda. Bakit ganun? Like, gusto ko yung makeup ko. Bakit? Girl! Diba? Nag-blur, guys. Nag-blur siya. Guys, tingnan niyo naman yung difference. Uy! Sabi naman, ang ganda naman yan. Eh, pag nawala ang ating ano. Ah, ba? Nawala man ang ating kapangit-pangit sa ating mukha. Uy, na-blur siya talaga, guys. Ah, yan. Yan. So, we're done with, ano naman yung blush ko, guys. Okay. And then, I'm gonna be using the BLK, ito guys, yung powder blush. Ah, ano ba? Kaya nga, konti-konti lang. Guys, yung lip liner na to, EB Matte, guys. This is Toast of Moodworks. Gonna using. Siya, lip liner pa lang yan. Uy, sino ka dyan? Go ahead. Lahat pala orange. Ano pa? Orange, ano? Na lang siguro yung face glaze ng Vice Cosmetics on the Daily Handle It Glow. Na, ito, highlighter. Sino ikaw dyan? Girl! Hindi pa tayo tapos sa makeup natin. Pero ang ganda na natin, guys. But I'm gonna be using the Teddy Tint. Teddy Tint ng Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Not. Girl, sino ka dyan? Saan tayo pupunta? Tayo magpa-party. Kami magpa-party. Lang talaga ipakita ng ating bangs. And now I'm done with my makeup. What do you think? Let's go party party? Go party party? Hmm? Let's go party party? Guys, kulit. I super love my eye makeup. Like, kavag. Wait! Oh my goodness, I really love my makeup. Wait lang, girl. Saan tayo pupunta after this? Kasi parang may... Nag-prepare ba talaga tayo? Hmm? So, let me know what you think about this look.